Hi everyone, welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're breaking down Poet Technologies, ticker Poet, one of the most talked about small cap tech stocks right now. Poet has been trading with volatility this year, recently climbing after several strategic cash raises and product milestones that have investors buzzing about its role in AI data center infrastructure. Poet Technologies develops advanced silicon photonic solutions, basically optical interconnect engines that use light instead of electrical signals. These are designed to solve data bottlenecks inside high speed AI and cloud data centers. In late 2025, Poet announced a registered direct offering expected to raise about 150 million, boosting its war chest significantly. That follows earlier raises that pushed its cash position well past 150 million, giving the company runway to scale operations, R&D, and potentially acquisitions. Poet's technology is now entering production phases. They've launched 1.6 terabit optical receiver engines with partner Semtech and have secured production orders for their Poet Infinity optical engines used in AI connectivity, milestones that validate commercial adoption of their tech. But investors need to understand this is still an early stage story. Revenue has been modest, and Poet has reported significant operating losses. Their valuation today reflects future potential more than current profits, so this remains a high risk, high reward play. So if you're watching Poet, keep an eye on production shipments and revenue ramp in 2026. That's the catalyst customers and markets are waiting for. Like, subscribe, and comment below with what stock you want covered next on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.